Hello and welcome to the second video of section 3, directory commands. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what are the various directory commands available, and then I will also explain you the meaning of these commands. So you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and inside Kali Linux I will show you the various directory commands you can use. So now guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system. So let's talk about some very basic directory commands we can use inside Kali. So for that you can start the terminal of Kali Linux operating system. So click on the terminal and open it inside Kali Linux. So what I'm doing here, basically I'm going to show you that how you can create a directory, how you can remove a directory, how you can change a directory, how you can rename a directory. So these kind of commands we are going to talk about. For example, if you want to check your present working directory, so you can type here pwd, hit enter, and here you can see that we are in the root directory, right? It is also called parent directory. For example, if I go to the desktop of this system, so I can type here cd, right? Using cd we can go to the desktop, so you can cd space desktop and hit enter. So now you can see here that we are on the desktop here. For example, if I want to make a directory inside desktop, so which command should I use? You can use mkdir command. So you can type here mkdir space, the name of the directory is small a, and hit enter. So you can check on your desktop that a new directory has been created using mkdir. If you open it, then it is empty. So using mkdir we can create a single directory, right? If you want to remove a directory, which command you can use? rmdir. So for example, if I want to remove this directory, I can type here rmdir space a and hit enter. So it will be removed. You can check here that directory has been removed automatically. If you want to create more than one directory at a time, you can also do this. For example, if you want to create mkdir, I want to create 4 directory, a space b space c space t, and hit enter. Let me show you. So here you can see that we got the 4 directories here on desktop, a b c d. If you want to remove it at a time, you can type here rmdir space a space b space c space t and hit enter. Now you can again check here, nothing. You can also check if you type ls, list the files here. So you can see here desktop is empty. There is no directory available on the desktop of Kali Linux. Now let me give you another case here. For example, if there is a directory and inside that directory there is a file, how we can remove both of them? So for example, let me create a directory again. So mkdir space a on the desktop, right? So now you can see here that this is the directory which we have created. For example, let me insert a leafpad file inside this. So you can open leafpad file and let me type my name inside it, Sunil. Save it on desktop with name sunil.txt, right? Click save. The file has been saved. Let me close it and let me drag it inside a folder or a directory. You can double click here and there is a file inside it. For example, if I want to remove it, the a from desktop, so if I type for example rm space a, or you can type here rmdir space a and hit enter. So you can see here that it is saying that failed to remove a. Now this command is not working to remove the directory not empty. So this is another case. When directory is not empty, then you can't use rmdir, because inside directory a there is a file sunil.txt. So when directory is empty, then you can type rmdir, but when directory is not empty, this command is not going to work. Now which command you should use here? You can try rm command here. So you can type here rm space dash rv. These are the basically filters. These are the various options available inside rm which you can use. Rm space dash rv space the name of the directory, small a, right? Now you can hit enter. Now you can see here that both of the files has been removed. One is directory a and inside directory sunil.txt. So you can see here, first of all, it has removed sunil.txt, which was inside a directory, and then it removed a directory. So that's how you can remove a directory which contains files. Got my point? Let me take another example here. For example, directory inside a directory. Again, let me create a directory on desktop, mkdir space a, hit enter, right? So this is directory A, and you can also create another directory inside A. So now you can go inside A by typing cd space A, change directory space A, hit enter, and here you can again type a directory mkdir b, hit enter, right? We have created. Now you can come back to desktop, cd space dot dot, can go back to A, double click here, then inside A another directory is available, B directory. So how you can remove two directories simultaneously, one inside another? It can be done. For example, again if I try rmdir space A and hit enter, then again it will say that tree is not empty. Got it? Again if I type this one, for example rm-rv space A and hit enter, then you can see here that it has removed both of them automatically, right? There are another command you can use, right? For that I need to create again that directory. So you can type here mkdir space A, cd space A to get inside it, and then you can type here mkdir space B. Again you can type mkdir space B, type ls, B is inside A, you can type cd space dot dot to come back to desktop. So we have a directory on desktop, and inside that you will find B directory. So another option you can use, for example, you can also try rm space dash frv space that directory name small a, right? You can try rv or dash frv, both are almost same, and hit enter. So you can see here again it has removed first of all the B directory inside A, and then it has removed A directory, right? So you can see on the desktop, my desktop is empty. We have successfully removed it, right? So you should understand that in which condition you should use which command. That's totally depends on your practice. So now, for example, if I go into another directory, as I already told you that, for example, if I type a directory on desktop mkdir space A, and now I want to go inside A directory, so I can type cd space A, enter. So I'm inside A, right? Cd means change directory. So using this command you can go inside a directory. If you want to go back to the home directory, you can type cd, hit enter, and you are on the home directory. Here you can type pwd, present working directory, you are inside. That's how you can use the use of cd. Again, if you want to go to the desktop, so you can, first of all you can type ls, you will find out desktop here. You can use cd, change directory, and I want to go inside desktop, and you are inside desktop. You can type ls, so there is a folder, or it is a directory or a folder inside desktop, the name A. For example, if I want to rename this directory name and I want to make it C, not A, I can do this. The command is quite simple. Use mv command, and using mv command you can rename any directory. Let me show you. For example, I will type mv and I want to change the name of A to C, right? Hit enter. Again, if you type ls to list the files inside desktop and hit enter, you can see here that A directory has been converted into C directory. Alright. Again, you can type mv space C space A. I want to again convert C to A. Hit enter. You can type ls, and you can see here that again it has renamed. It means by using mv command you can rename a directory, right? So I have renamed A to C, and then again C to A using mv command. So these are the basic directory commands inside Kali Linux operating system that you need to understand, right? Because this will help you in your practicals. So these are all about directory commands. In the next video, we are going to learn about chain commands. Thank you.